Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's quick Windows 11 tip, I'm going to show you how to display your battery percentage right on the taskbar. It's simple, it's clean, and it only takes a moment to set up. So let's get started. Look down at your taskbar and right-click on the battery icon. A small menu will appear. From there, select Power and Sleep options. This will open the settings window where we can make the change. Once the page loads, scroll gently until you see the battery percentage section. You'll notice an option that lets you show the battery percentage in the taskbar. Go ahead and toggle it on. And just like that, the percentage appears instantly. And that's it. Nice and quick. Now, you can always keep an eye on your battery level without digging through any menus. Thank you for watching this short tutorial on Zimist Coded. If it helped you out, remember to subscribe for more simple tech tips and step-by-step guides. I'll see you in the next video.